For all positive values of g and h, which of the following expressions is equivalent to g squared times the square root of g to the fifth times h squared times the fourth root of h to the fifth? This problem looks pretty scary, and if we were working it by hand, it would be tricky for some students. However, the good news is that we can solve this problem with ease using the test key. The key is to ensure that we are careful entering our values and exponents. Let me show you how easy this problem is to solve using your calculator's test menu. We have two variables, g and h. We will begin by storing a random non-integer value into both variables. Why a non-integer decimal value? Well, integers can obscure the results for equivalency calculations, so we are always safe using a decimal. To make it easy, let's follow the row path of the stow key. To begin, let's store 12.3 into g. Press 12.3, stow, alpha, g. Enter. Moving backward, press 32.1, stow, alpha, h. Enter. 12.3 is now stored in G, and 32.1 is stored into H. Remember our question. We're trying to determine which expression is equivalent to g squared times the square root of g to the fifth times h squared times the fourth root of h to the fifth. Now let's solve our problem. Press alpha, g. Press caret, 2, tab right. Press second, square root. Press alpha, g, caret, 5. Tab right twice to get from under the radical. Press times. Press alpha, h, caret, 2. Tab right. Press 4. Press Math, select number 5. Press alpha, h, caret, 5. Tab right twice to get from under the radical. Now let's use our answers to see which one is equal to our expression. Let's first try k. Here's where we use the test feature. Press second, Math. Notice the menu items, Test, Logic, and Condition. Under Test, let's select Equal to set our expression equal to answer k. Now enter g to the 7th times h to the 7th. Press Enter. When pressing Enter, you get either 1 or 0. 1 equals true, which means that our expressions are equivalent. 0 equals false, which means they are not. As you can see, k is not our answer. Let's try another. Recall your expression. Tab left and change the right expression to equal answer choice H. Now press Enter. As you can see, our expression is equivalent to h. Now I know that this one was a little tedious, but you will undoubtedly get faster at entering radicals and exponents as you practice. So let's try another one. Don't worry, this one is more manageable. 3x cubed times 2x squared times y times 4x squared times y is equivalent to. I will store a decimal value into both x and y. I will then enter my expression and set it equal to my answer choices to see which one is equivalent. Remember, 1 means the expressions are equivalent and 0 means that they are not equivalent. Watch me first and then you try it. Now let's enter our expression. 3x cubed times 2x squared times y times 4x squared times y Press second. Test. Press Enter to select equal. Enter answer choice H. 24, x raised to the 7th times y squared. Press Enter. As you can see, we have confirmed that our expression is equal to h.